The unloading of hydraulic elevator components has undergone a significant revamping, with the goal of creating an efficient, safe, uniform procedure. Elevator components are now shipped in bundles, and with the use of a crane van trailer, the goal of a safe, efficient, uniform procedure is now a reality. Bundling components is much easier for installers because it eliminates unloading scores of boxes and individual components and consolidates the entire process. Component bundles consist of a 3-in-1 bundle, which actually contains 3 separate bundles. One is for the rails, a second is the jacks and piping, and the third contains the stiles and ducts. The next bundle is the pump unit, then a pallet with hydraulic oil, and finally the soft packs, which contain the remaining components. There can be between 3 to 5 soft packs in a shipment, depending upon how many stops are required. Each pack is 36 inches wide by 6 foot 6 inches high and is designed to fit through a finished door. Each soft pack is packed in Gettysburg to correlate with the installation. For example, Pack 1 will contain brackets and sling. Pack 2 has the entrances and doors, and Pack 3 is the car and operator. To unload these bundles and soft packs from the trailer, a crane van, which is a semi-trailer fitted with an overhead crane, will now be used for all installations. The trailer has side wings that swing out to extend the crane for unloading. Before any unloading can begin, you need to make sure that the crane is in spec. This includes making sure that there is an 8,000-pound tag on the crane, that all cables are in good shape without frays or cuts, and that the hook and clevis is intact. Make sure all electrical wires are protected and that the crane rolls smooth and free. In addition, you need to make sure that all unloading tools are on the trailer. These unloading tools include spreader bars, 6-foot pallet jack, 3 pieces of plywood, 2 J-bars, 2 dollies, nylon straps, 2 tagline straps, and yellow plastic. At the unloading dock, make sure that there is a clear path to the staging area so that you can move the bundles easily. To begin unloading, use the J-bar to move the pack away from the wall before rigging. To rig the soft pack, first position the tool over the top of the pack. The overhead crane works with 2 independent spreaders and chains that help to balance the load when hoisting. Slide the chains under the pack to the other side and position them on the outside of the bottom pallet braces, and hook the chains together. 2 tag lines must be attached to each pack. They will help to direct the pack as it comes off the end of the trailer and must be 8 feet long to keep you at a safe distance as the pack is unloaded. As the pack comes out the end of the truck, the tags help to guide it so that it is in position over the plywood, and so that the pallet jack can be easily inserted to move the pack. Both the installer and the helper need to work together to move the packs to the staging area. Stage the packs in the order that you will be using them during installation. Each soft pack has a label describing its pack number, contents, job name, and weight. The same techniques apply to the 3-in-1 pack. Instead of chains, you will use nylon straps attached directly to the hook. It is important to use pieces of rubber around the sharp edges to protect the strap. Tag lines that keep you 8 feet from the bundle are required. The 3-in-1 bundles go into 2 dollies for moving the bundle to the staging area. The pump unit is unloaded similar to the soft pack, using the independent spreaders with chains. Make sure the load is balanced and use 4-foot tag lines when unloading. The last pack to unload is the hydraulic oil. Make sure that the pack is balanced and use a 4-foot tag line. The pump unit should be placed in its final position in the machine room to enable the electrical subcontractor to wire the unit. This is important because you will need power to the pump unit on day 1 of the installation. Make sure the floor is clean and free of any debris that will prevent the unit from being level before placing the pump unit. Remove the bolts that hold the pump unit to the pallet and carefully slide the unit off the pallet. Open the unit and cut the strap holding the dipstick and floor isolation pads. Insert the dipstick. Position the unit according to layout drawings. Install isolation pads under tank flanges in alignment with the mounting holes. When unloading, follow all safety guidelines and don't let anyone talk you into something you feel is a safety hazard.